Alright, just picked this unit up. 1965 General Electric low Thinline wall unit. It's an AU pancake. Not that legible, but you might be able to make out some. E2365, so. And this thing was installed close to the water in Rhode Island, and it is surprisingly clean. There's another one there. That one's for Russ. Wiring schematic, pretty simple. Very quiet. There's your tag. And this is the front grille. Pretty basic. I was gonna go pick up one of these that had the front grille with the circles on it, and when I was gonna go pick it up, the guy left it outside and said it was gone, so he took it. So at least I found this one. Those are a quality control sticker from the factory. Just shows you how lightly used this thing was. Nice heat out there. I'm gonna clean this up tonight. Yep. It's hot and nice and cold. It's about 83 degrees out here, so it's under quite a load. But it's dripping a good bit. Got Will the Trill. Go to his channel for a good video of the meat. Oh yeah, nice and cold. That's it.